Hello, 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 and it's your girl, I am Shaniqua, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I achieve these wonderful and perfect wand curls, and you can do the same for yourself. Today, I'm going to use the wand curler by Conair, and I have had this wand curler for actually years. No, this video is not sponsored, but Conair, if you're watching, sponsor your girl, okay? Now, first and foremost, I like to go in and just spray it down with some oil sheen. Don't saturate it, just get it covered with a nice coat of oil. And before going in with the wand curler, you want to spray it with a little holding spray. I like to use the Kendra holding spray. It's the mild spray. Does not make it crunchy, does not make it hard. Gives it a nice softness, but it keeps the curl holding. Now, as you see, wrap the hair around and around and around until you get to the end piece. Keep it held until you feel heat throughout the entire piece that you're curling, and then let it down slowly and enjoy that bounce. Now you're going to take this same process and do it throughout the entire head until you get to the top. Now just watch this video. I'm going to stop talking. You enjoy until we get to the top, and then I'm going to show you what I do to really enhance my curls. Enjoy. Now, this is my favorite part. Once you finish doing all of your curls throughout the entire head, you're going to take them, you're going to just run your hands through them and separate them. Very cutesy, very demure. I put some clips in the front to hold it in place, and then I just play with it until I get it exactly how I want it. So this is my secret to my perfect wand curls. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!